Hi everyone, hope y'all are doing well. I'm Ash, y'all are watching Preen Ash Bae. Opportunity. Opportunity. What is the meaning of word opportunity? Opportunity means a chance to do something that you would like to do, a situation or a time in which it is possible to do something that you would like to do. Sentence. Everyone will have an opportunity to do things that they really want to. So wait for that opportunity. अपॉर्चुनिटी का मतलब है अवसर, सुअवसर, मौका, उपयुक्त, अवसरानुकूल, स्थिति या समय. Friends, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you all till then. Take care. Bye bye.